she started cracking her knuckles, and she was like, "You're so effing lucky that basically I'm not gonna hit you."
Wait, hold up. You're telling me Lizzo cracked her knuckles and put him up like a 1920s boxer, like fucking Joe Louis, and was like, "You're so fucking lucky." Ooh, why I oughta.
And, you know, I was in shock watching her do that and cracking her knuckles and acting as if she was gonna come at me. And for a second I was like, you know, I don't think she's gonna do that.